Welcome back. In today's video, we want to discuss force and work. In a previous video, which will be linked in the top right of this video, we discussed force. So we want to see how that force is moved over a distance, which we'll call work. And the unit for work, sometimes energy, is joule, which is capital J. The joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. Here we see the Newton is the force, the meter is for the distance, so that's the force over a distance, Newton meter, right? So the joule is defined as the work done or energy transferred when a force of 1 Newton is exerted or moved through a distance of 1 meter in the direction of the force. So the work done on a body in joules is W is equal to the force times the distance. And in this case, we're going to use S for a distance, which will be in meters, and the force in newtons. So in the previous video, as mentioned earlier, we had a problem, and that problem was a mass of 500 grams is accelerated at 2 meters per second squared by a force. Determine the force needed, or determine that force. So the mass is equal to 5,000 grams. The acceleration is equal to 2 meters per second squared. The force in our case is equal to, and by the way, kilogram. So the units for Newton, I'll write that in red up here, and I want to say equal to, is equal to kilogram meters per second squared. So we want to change the mass to kilograms, and that is going to equal to 5 kg. So the force is equal to 10 Newton. So to get the work, we just go ahead and multiply the work by the distance, and that will equal to what kind of distance we'd want. We could just say 1 meter, which is basically 10 joules. So if we'll just write that out. So the force would be 10 newtons, and the distance would be 1 meter. Why am I trying to write that kind of 1 meter? And that will equal to 10 joules. And that's the work done on a body in joules, where F is in force. Well, F is the force, and S is the distance. The force is in Newton, the distance is in meter. And we can just say that energy is the capacity for doing work. So that's it for this problem. See you in the next one. Bye.